Do you know the secret to success in schools, jobs, and life? It's communication, especially in English. Communication means sharing ideas, information, or feelings. It has 5 parts. Number 1. Sender, the person who speaks. Number 2. Message, what you say. Number 3. Channel, how you send it. Speaking, writing, body language. Number 4. Receiver, who listens. Number 5. Feedback, their response. In English, good communication is about clear and simple words, correct pronunciation, active listening, positive body language and tone. Why is this important? English is a global language. It opens doors to jobs and travel. It builds confidence and avoids misunderstandings. So practice clear English every day to grow your skills and opportunities. Follow me on Learn English by Speaking for more simple English tips. Thank you. Bye-bye.